Yeah, good afternoon, Kumar.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, one minute, I'll just share my screen.
Okay.
Start. Okay, so setting up your AWS resources with the Terraform modules. So I think we have done it right yesterday.
Yes,
VPC, E2, S3 bucket deployment of production instance. So there are three modules we will be using. We created VPC module, EC2 module, and S3 module. So VPC we just sets up our virtual private cloud with public and private subnets and internet gateway and routing tables for an isolated networking foundation. So we mentioned VPC. Inside VPC we configured public subnet, private subnet, and internet gateway, NAT gateway, routing tables and all. We didn't do that, but we created the subnets, correct, VPC and subnets. And on top of that subnets, automatically that gateways get created by default. Now, which one is easy when compared to your normal going and creating a VPC and creating a infrastructure using Terraform? What do you think? Based on the X-rays practical, what you understand actually, which method is easy? See, normally we go and create EC2 instance, VPC, everything by manually, right? In
yes.
our account, in our user interface. So is that method is easy or this method is easy?
This method is only easy.
And one more big advantage here in this, what is that? Can you tell me?
Every time no need not to do manual.
Mm-hmm.
Automatically it will create.
Mm-hmm. Manually, we don't want to do. That's fine. Another important thing is there. What is that? Okay, first you think about manually you're launching everything. Okay.
Okay.
What are the things you will do?
create I mean sub EC2 instance like create VPC
Hmm.
and uh, I mean in,
Hmm.
create VPC subnets and everything, and then EC2
Mm-hmm.
like in a we in Terraform means we create modules inside that modules main.tf outputs.tf variables.tf. I mean and outside the modules we'll ke- keep values like module and the name of the module or AWS instance, AWS S3 bucket. Like that, we outside we keep and we enter the names. We will call that values inside.
Hmm. Then.
Then we in a terminal we will run the commands
Mm-hmm.
terra terra uh, terraform init, terraform apply,
Hmm.
terraform run commands and
Mm-hmm.
after Terraform plan, Terraform init, Terraform plan, Terraform apply. After successfully created everything, we will go to AWS account and we will cross check whether created manually or not everything. I'm sorry, I'm whether created everything or not.
Mm-hmm. Okay, but the thing is, now if you take EC2 instance, so how many steps are there? How many steps are there?
Like main.tf, out.tf, variables.tf. Before creating EC2, we must and should create VPC.
Hmm. Okay, that's fine. In the lines actually, how many fields are there?
In main.tf, AMI instance type subnet ID. Three are there. In outputs.tf public IP instance type. In variables.tf AMI value, instance type value, subnet ID value.
Mm-hmm. No, in manually when manually you're using, right?
Yes,
There I'm asking you.
manually means create an instance. We will click on create an instance like that.
Manually we'll be selecting first one username, then OS you have to select, then key pair you have to select, AMI ID, and then we have to select the network. In network we have three things other na. One is VPC, then subnet, then auto assign public ID. Then again coming for security group, and then if you want we can add the value and again user data. Correct? So all these things we have to do. Am I right?
Right.
Okay. So now those who are very new to AWS and EC2 instance, will they able to remember all these steps?
No.
No, correct na? So what
Correct.
is this Terraform when you launch and resource is doing? Now I have mentioned all the field names. Okay, so how many fields I might have told you? Maybe around 10.
Yes.
So this 10 fields in Terraform, how many fields we have entered actually?
Three.
Three, correct? Na? The remaining seven,
Correct.
what happened? The remaining seven, what happened? Have you noticed?
No.
Okay. What happened means, okay, if you're not selecting something, what will happen usually?
Error. We'll get error.
You'll get error. Huh? But yesterday it didn't show any error, na? Why it was not showing any error?
No idea.
Okay, first one, you're opening a bank account, okay? Once you open a bank
Okay.
account, and at the end of the opened your account. After that, they will give you one more form to you. What is that form?
Details from,
Hmm?
I mean, account opening form. Huh?
No, that's what you opened your account now already. I'm saying after you completed your account opening is done, then they will give you one more form. What is that form?
Unable to recollect exact.
Okay, they will give you one more form for your checkbook, passbook, credit card, debit card.
Yes. Yeah. Yes. Okay.
In that form, if you are not selecting anything, what it will do? What will happen? Hmm?
No idea.
By default, what? By default, it will go as no. You don't need. Internet banking will not be activated. Mobile banking will not be activated until a new request. Same thing, credit card, debit card, and all those things. Maybe private banks might be giving you, but government banks they have a rule, right? Whether the customer has requested for these things or not. Okay, so by default, what you will face, it will go default. Correct, na?
Okay.
Yes, same thing in the Terraform. When we declared three particular things, as you said, 10 things are there. Remaining, we didn't fill it. So, what phase it will go?
Default. Huh?
Yes. So, default, lot of these nine options out of 10, three we are declaring in Terraform, and seven are going for default option, whichever best suits for our project or program. Correct? So, that is decided by, taken care by Terraform. So, that is one of the main reason why this infrastructure as a code, that means what, creating infrastructure as a code, as a 2 line or 3 line code is easy when compared to the manual creation of resources. Am I right?
Right.
Okay, fine. So now yesterday we launched VPC EC2. EC2's launches configuring EC2 virtual machines, managing AMI instance type, key pair, security group, and subnet attachments for compute resources. and create S3 storage buckets with configurable name, access control, and optional features like versioning, encryption, and logging for the object storage. Now, understanding module dependency. What this depends on? Yesterday we have done mod is depends on. Correct now? Do you remember?
Yes, yes.
Yes, so write and keep it. While Terraform automatically infers most dependencies through resource references, depends on provide a manual ordering. That means the previous one has to launch first. If tells Terraform that this resource or module must be created only after another specific resource or module is ready, even if there's no direct link in the code. Even if there is no direct link in the code. Now in your code, you can see depends on module.vpc in EC2. It ensures that EC2 is created only after the VPC is fully ready. Because if it is trying to create EC2 means what will happen? If VPC itself not created, if it tries to create EC2, what will happen?
It will throw an error. Create VPC first, like this.
Exactly. Fine. Next, depends on module.ec2 in S3. Here again we did forces the S3 bucket creation after the EC2 instance is ready, controlling the overall deployment sequence. So it is controlling the overall deployment sequence. That is who is first, who is second, who is third, like that. And yesterday in the CADR block main.tf we have written the same code. You can able to see CADR block, Terraform modules, name of the web server, type, subnet, modules.vpc. So that depends on matters. So what the depends on is doing, it is enforcing the specific creation order, prevents race conditions and deployment errors, and it will ensures proper resource referencing, especially for non-explicit links. Non-explicit links means what?
No idea.
Okay. Explicit means what? Explicitly means what? Explicitly means particularly they have mentioned specifically they are mentioning this has to be done. Like that are called explicit. Explicitly mentioned. Now they are saying don't give priority for non-explicit links. Non-explicit links means which is not important. Right. So those things will not work. Okay. You have written this one and depends on.
Oh, no, I will refer it to the PDF. Please continue.
I think previously I sent one Terraform module document, right? In that it's not there. I think 1 minute. In that it's not there. So, mm, yes, fine. I have not added this. This will attach it. Next one. Deployment workflow. We already learned this. What is that? First one. Terraform initiate, that is download the modules and initiate the backend. It will be ready. Next, Terraform plan will preview the infrastructure changes and dependencies. Then Terraform apply. So create resources in proper dependency order. So Terraform apply will do. It will apply, create resource in the proper dependency order also. It will apply. That means whatever order we have mentioned in the same order, it will apply the changes. Next, production benefits. Rapid provisioning, deploy complete environment in minutes instead of hours. Correct now, when we launch our EC2 instance or to your VPC, how much time it took and how when we do it through code. Hmm. So code was faster, correct now?
Yes, code was faster.
And destroying also it was very faster as well. It destroyed everything in a minute.
Yes, correct.
Yes. Consistency. Identical infrastructure cross development staging and production stages. So the consistency will be same. It will be very faster and all the stages, development stage, staging stage, and production stage. Next, CI/CD integration. So we can able to automated infrastructure deployment in GitLab or GitHub Actions, and scalability, easy replication and modification for different environments. Also, we can able to do it. So this is the benefit of Terraform. Now coming for cloud formation. So what is this cloud formation? Cloud formation is a service where it is called as the infrastructure as a code. Like Terraform we call as infrastructure as a code. Same thing. It will make sure the infrastructure provision is happening properly in the based on the sequence and is faster. So infrastructure as a code, nothing but as we just now mentioned, your AWS resource in the text file instead of clicking through the console. So instead of we go and create the text files, I mean instead of going and creating the files one by one or the services creating one by one, we can just upload one single text file, and in that we can mention what are all things to be launched, and then so the text file we have mentioned the sequence, orders, everything, whatever the resources we have to be launched, that will be there. So it will automatically launch all those resources in one shot. Next, automated deployment. So deploy entire environment consistently with a single operation. So with a single click and single operation, we will be able to deploy it as early as faster as well. I mean, it will deploy faster. Control management, update, rollback, or delete the entire stack of resources together. So it will update, rollback, and delete the entire stack of resources also together. So we can able to update, roll back, and delete the entire stack of resources and together same thing like whatever we did in the Terraform. Now here templates your infrastructure blueprint. Templates is nothing but your infrastructure blueprint. So what we are going to write? We are going to write it in an YAML file. Now first we define all the AWS services we want to create. For example, EC2, S3, and VPC, and the parameters. Make templates flexible with customizable inputs. That is whatever templates we have, we can able to use it, customize it. Then outputs we can able to export import values like IP address or endpoints. Like yesterday we put it the outputs, na? Do you remember what are the outputs we have done in the main outside output files?
Yes, yes. Output public subnet ID S3 underscore ARN EC to public IP instance type.
Hmm. Yes. So all these things we give him, we can able to get it in the output. Now what is the format of YAML? Yesterday we have done it for Terraform formats. Correct na Terraform will have? What are all the files is Terraform will have for each module?
EC2, S3, and VPC we created in each module.
We created in each module, that's fine. What we created actually? What are the files we created?
Main.tf, outputs.tf, variables.tf.
Yes, exactly. Now here we are not going to do all these three files, two files. Only one file will mention everything, and that will launch everything. First one you have to mention resource. What is the resource? Bucket, my bucket type. What is that? AWS S3 bucket. Okay. Now stacks. Your living infrastructure. So first we deploy the template to the build the AWS resources together. What are all the resources we have to work? Next one update, that is modify the existing resources safely also. We have to modify the AWS resources. Whenever you want, we can update also. Then roll back, that is revert to previous state if needed. Also, we can come back and then delete. Delete means remove all the resources cleanly. Next, resource building blocks of your stack. What are the resource building stock? Resources are the core components of any cloud formation template, each representing a specific AWS service or features. So cloud formation automatically handles resources dependencies and creates them in the optional order. Creates them in the optional order. So what cloud formation will do? Cloud formation will handle all the resources and its dependencies, create them in an optimal order. Optimal order means it knows that okay which one has to be launched first and all those things. But it will try to wait for your request also based on what input you have given in its tool. Now, first one logs logical IDs. So each resources will have a logical ID. That is, for example, my bucket, which will have a unique identifier. That what is the ID we have for S3 bucket yesterday? In the output file we put. What is that for S3?
Bucket underscore ARN.
Ah, yes, bucket underscore ARN. So ARN is the ID or the name which we have got. It. Same thing for resources. We'll have ID.
Okay.
Next, properties. Resources have properties that configure their settings also, like bucket name, access control, and all those things we can have in the resources also. Next, resource type. What type of resources we are going to do? So in EC2 we have instance type S3. What is that? DynamoDB table means IAM role, Lambda functions. Everything was there. Options will be there for the resource type. What type of resource you are looking for? Next one, resource references. Resource can reference each other using instinct functions like ref or get attribute. So we can able to reference means what? Reference means what? Like I think you are using VS Code, right?
Yes.
You know React.
Yes, yes, I know React. Yes.
Okay. What does that import and export means?
Import means to, I mean, import a file. Export means we have to export our entire code into one jar file.
No, no, no. In the code, you will get import and export code. You will write now. What is that?
Import means whatever the modules dependencies required for that code, we'll write with the command called import, like hash include stdio.h. I mean that within single command, all the dependencies will include together.
Mm, export means where we write export usually.
No idea of export.
Okay. So we have export and export default. You know, na?
Yes,
Export what will do if when you click export only, at the other place when you import code, it will show you that file. If you're not given the export word in your normal component, that is your project file, you will not be able to import it in the main file. That is index dot I mean app dot jsx or main file. Are you getting? Now,
yes, getting.
what we are doing here is we are referring what we are referring the import file. We used to type in the first index page what app.csx app.jsx. You're using Vite React, right? Or normal React you're using?
I'm using, what is the question?
Which React you're using?
It's React.
Hmm. Vite React you're using, the latest version you're using, or the old one I'm asking.
Latest, Maybe
Okay.
latest. I didn't observe that much because I am not learning that React also.
Uh-huh. Okay, fine then. Now coming back. When we use export there, it will be able to import it in the front page. Just referring that I am going to use this component. Okay. So same thing here. We are going to mention ref. That is reference. I want to refer some other resources. I can able to refer, or we can get their attributes. That's what get attribute. Next, output sharing information. So first, create a stack, deploy your resources using CloudFormation, generate values, then export outputs and outputs file. So deploy your resources using CloudFormation, then generate values. That is CloudFormation captures key information, then export output, use values in other stacks or applications. We can able to use values in other stacks or application also we can able to use, and the output will be shown. So we can able to export those outputs to other values or applications. We can able to use values in the other stacks or applications. We can able to use the output as well. Next, CDK, developer friendly IAC. CDK means what?
Cloud Development Kit.
Cloud development kit. Okay. Programming language. So we write infrastructure code in the Python, JavaScript, TypeScript, Java, C++, or React, or whatever it is. What is the main benefit of this IAC? That is cloud formation. What is the main benefit? It will use all the familiar programming language concepts. It will create reusable components. Reusable components. Reusable components means what? I think in React you learned about components. Now, what is it by a component?
No, no, I don't learn React.
You don't
I'm
know.
not working on React also. I don't know. Just I know it will develop the front-end interface of web application.
Okay, you know only that.
That's it.
Mm,
I don't know anything about React.
okay, okay, fine then. Mm, in the practical, we have done BMI calculator. You watched that video?
Yes, yes.
In that, I showed you the React application, that BMI
Yes,
calculator.
yes. We developed
Yes.
that with the help of React. Yeah.
Uh, yes. So each file which we are creating, okay, which we are creating newly for our program are called components, which we can able to reuse it somewhere else also. Just give the path alone. Next, leverage IDE features. What is in the IDE? IDE means your
Developer
views.
enterprise.
Integration development environment. Which environment we are using for developing Python, Java, whatever it is nowadays? Which tool we are using? VS Code, correct? Na?
Yes, VS Code.
That is your leverage, your IDE features. Next. So here I told import export. Same thing here also you see. From AWS CDK, import AWS S3 as S3. So from AWS CDK, we are going to import AWS S3 as S3. Next bucket, S3 dot bucket, S3 dot bucket self and my bucket. So bucket equal to S3 bucket itself and my bucket, that we can able to call. Now coming to the concepts, what are the concepts we have learned? Cloud formation template is one that we need to create, which will be in the YML format or JSON format, which is nothing but the blueprint of the steps that we are. Next, stack is nothing but a deployable collection of AWS resources from a template. Stack means what? It's a group of technologies together. Now here it is a group of services together also. Next, resources. What are called resources? All your S3, EC2, and whatever services you are taking are called here, and this components also. Everything are here. Values export for deployment for reference also. Whatever we have done the previous one, which we can able to deploy as a reference. Next, CDK tool to write templates using programming languages. So CDK is like a cloud deployment development kit where we can able to deploy our application or template and help to create the templates. Okay, so these are the things we have here in the cloud formation. Fine, so we'll go and do the cloud formation now. Okay, so just share your screen and entire screen and go log
Please give me permission.
AWS. Okay, 1 minute, I'm giving you permission. Yes, given. Okay, create a new folder called AWS underscore cloud formation in your desktop and open that file in your VS Code.
Okay. Yeah, open.
Okay. Create a new file called sample-template.yaml. Ah, yes. Fine. Now we are going to create the template for cloud formation. Now we are going to launch EC2 instance through cloud formation. Okay. So first we write parameters. P caps, double quotes. No, no, sorry. Colon. Parameters, delete the double quotes and put colon. Do not space. Next, enter. Give one tab. One more tab. Type AMI ID, single word. AMI capital letter, full AMI. AMI alone capital letter. Again I caps and D small. Again colon. Enter. Again double quote. Tab. Yes. Type TYP type. Yes. Colon. space string, yes caps, enter, default, d colon. Okay, we have to take the AMI ID like yesterday we have taken for the EC2 instance.
Yes.
Go to your AWS account and copy that AMI ID and come.
Okay.
Type EC2
Yeah,
and
I
not,
opened EC2 only.
no, it is an IAM.
Okay, I go to security credentials. So I thought creating that. Okay,
Mm. A launch instance and select window and copy the AMI yesterday.
done.
Okay. Now enter, type description decaps, colon. Just to click description only. Details is not needed. Only description. Colon description colon space value for AMI V caps value for AMI space ID. Mm. Enter. Now one step back like AMI ID. That one. Yes. Here you type instance type single word I caps T caps instant type T caps. Colon enter. One tab. Now type is to, what is the type here? It is string. Yes caps. Yes, enter. Again default D caps is equal to is equal to T3 dot micro. Okay, next enter. What happened? Description is correct only. What happened?
Oh, okay,
Value
okay.
for description
Descript.
colon value for instant type. Instance space type. Enter. Again one more enter. Like parameters you go put heading as resources. Give one line between this resource and parameters. Hmm. Now same thing, resources you go subheading my instance M caps instance caps I caps colon enter tag. Okay. Type we have mentioned now. My instance type is AWS capital letter AWS colon one more colon and EC2 again two no no wait there we go EC2 go uh, again double colon instance I caps yes enter. There you write properties. No, no, properties. I will tell you. Properties, colon, enter. Now again, it's a subdivision. Yes, image ID. Image ID. Yes. Uh, this one exclamatory mark reference. Now here we are referencing ref r caps ref space ami id single word. Enter. Now availability zone. Availability zone single word. Availability zone colon AP hyphen southeast hyphen 1A. Instance type like that colon reference again like the previous one clementary ref instance type. Instance type is done. Okay, enter. Now that my instance is then above.
Yeah.
In that place, same left side, same left. Okay. My my bucket. You can type. Same thing like my instance you have done. Na? Same thing. Colon AWS colon S3 S3 colon instance not instance. Here it is bucket. Click bucket. Not my bucket. Only bucket. Okay. Now again here below you enter. Don't give space. Don't give space. See all these codes will not have indentations. Type properties. Colon enter. Okay. Yes. Type bucket name single word. Bucket name. Bucket name is we'll give. Yesterday we gave some bucket name, right? What is the name we have given? I think sample bucket 2026. Correct? Na?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Now we'll give my hyphen sample. My sample hyphen what is feb, right? Hyphen feb. Okay. Now save this one.
Okay.
Okay, 1 minute. Now again we put parameters resources. Okay. Now
Okay.
same thing like resources you put the heading as output. Outputs puts colon enter public IP single word. Yes, enter Product IP, one more tab, you give value, colon, it space value, put exclamatory mark, get ATT, get G capital letter ET, then A capital letter TT, space my instance dot my instance dot public IP, P caps. Mm. Fine. Now our thing is ready. Save it. Now go to your AWS console page. Okay, first we'll create a VPC because VPC we didn't create, na.
Okay.
So we'll create a default VPC. Don't click that one. No, no, no. Go to left side. Actions, right side actions. Create default VPC. Okay. Now you go and check your cloud formation. Search cloud formation. Click create stack. Choose an existing template.
Mm.
Upload a template file is there, na? Second option. Choose to upload that file you saved it, na, the sample template. From that folder you upload it.
Which one?
And the file is this one you saved, na, in the
Oh,
AWS cloud formation folder. This file we
okay,
have.
okay. Next here, stack name.
Hmm. Give sample stack.
Here, everything I have to add. Hello. Hello, sir. I am unable to hear you. Hello, sir.
Okay. You click the next button.
Yes.
Okay. Add tagging, role name, nothing. Come down, roll back, start, or stack render. Use terraform policy. Okay. Click next. Don't want to select anything. Come next. You click submit. Yes, creation in the progress. Now what we have to check actually, what are things we are creating?
Parameters, resources.
Parameter. What are the resources we are creating? EC2 and S3 bucket, correct? Na?
Yes, yes.
Open that files and see whether whatever we have done is created or not. Go to instances.
Shutting down.
Now this is yesterday's one, right?
Ah, I had deleted everything yesterday.
No, the last one might not have gone. This is not the one which we created now.
Okay, I will delete again. Okay.
No, it's deleted already. Leave it.
Okay,
Nothing.
okay.
Refresh and see. Go to S3 bucket also. Refresh and see. What is the bucket name we have given? Okay, what is the demo name we have given here for our server? The tag name we have given.
AWS is to S3 is to bucket. My sample FEB, bucket name.
Uh, uh, Go to S3. Let us see. The
February
cloud
8th.
today, right?
Today, yeah.
425. That's the one it's getting created. Same thing. Go there to EC2 instance. Let us check the time. We mentioned T3 micro, right?
Yes, yes. February 8th, launch time.
Today only, I think so. Why it is going
Yes,
for shutting down stage? Now only we have started, right?
yes,
We
right.
will go to CloudFormation page. Let us see.
Okay. It failed.
Mm-hmm. Rollback in progress, right? Click resources. Events is there, right? Okay. Creation and progress. And scroll above. Go to your VS Code and we'll check one more time the code from the beginning. Go there. Okay, parameters AMI string. My value for AMI instance string is 3 instance. Resources my instance C2 the image ID reference. That's all. My bucket type PS3 bucket. What is bucket name? The output file. Get my instance dot public IP. We have not mentioned any availability zone. Okay. Okay, availability zone we have mentioned, right? One.
Yes,
Okay, that might be the problem because we have created default VPC.
only one is fine, right?
Hmm. Go to my instance, AMI ID instance, type alone you mention.
My instance.
AMI ID availability zone, you remove it. Since we are going for default VPC.
Okay, line number 16, right?
Line number 16, yes. Hmm. Okay, save it.
Yes.
Go there to CloudFormation and remove that stack. Now, first to click stacks, anything, the stacks which is already running, na, that will try to remove.
Yes, yes. But where can we see the stacks? Here only, right? Create stack.
Click the stack, left side, the three button is there, na?
Okay, okay.
Delete that stack. Hmm.
Done. Deleted.
Create stack. Give the name
Stack
as
name.
uh, CloudFormation hyphen stack. Next. No need to do anything. Just to come down and go next. Submit it. Let us see. Go check your EC2 instance S3 bucket and all. Just go refresh.
Yeah, it got a double no. Shutting down.
Wait. Let us wait. Okay.
Okay.
S3.
1425. Yeah, this one only.
Since that bucket is already there, it will not create because we didn't. The second time when we upload the bucket name, we didn't change it. Na?
Yes, yes.
Okay. It will just be in the cloud formation page. Let us see what is happening. We will create my template and first one CF template, then the other one it will create.
Okay.
Again, it is showing error. Bucket.
This is the earlier one. Rollback in progress. As of now, no error. Create failed, nothing.
Rollback in progress. Cloud formation. The following resource failed to create. My instance, my bucket rollback requested by the user. Why it is getting. Okay, one more error is there. That is our bucket name. Bucket name should be in small letters. What we have done actually, my
Capital.
my hyphen sample That bucket name, my sample hyphen. Everything small letter you put.
Hyphen is fine right in the middle.
Hyphen is fine. Save it.
Okay. Shall I delete the stack and re-upload again, right?
Yes, delete that stack and re-upload.
Delete in progress.
Mhm.
Create stack.
Okay.
Stack name.
Do one thing. We'll remove that. Wait. Go delete that VPC.
Okay, okay.
Previously, we didn't do any VPC. Let us check without VPC.
Shall I delete this VPC?
Wait. We'll do one thing. We'll try this one. If it's not working, then we'll delete the VPC and try. Okay.
Okay.
Go to CloudFormation. Delete the stack. You deleted, right? You're getting the new one. Okay, right? So
Yes.
CloudFormation hyphen stack one. Okay, next. That's it.
Third one got created. Starting
This,
one pending.
this one isn't pending state. This is what we want.
Yeah. Now
Uh,
it is my sample FEB. Now
yes,
it
yes.
came.
Now only it is working. 43. Now only it's working.
Yes.
Hmm.
Completed.
Complete creation. Go there. Your EC2 S3 bucket.
Running. Easy to.
Yes. Okay. S3 bucket also it's running, right? My sample FP.
Yes.
Go to the CloudFormation stack. Is all the tasks are completed? Go there to CloudFormation and click the stacks and check whether create in progress. Everything is running. Refresh. Okay. Go to resources. On the top, resources is there, na? Yes. So you're able to see what are the resources we created. We created a S3 and EC2. Next, outputs. What is output we have given there in the code? Do you remember?
Pub- Public IP.
We want to display the public IP. So public IP is displaying. Na?
Yes.
Okay. Parameters what we have given. AMI ID and instant type only is a parameter which we have
Yes. Yes.
given. Next one, template. The whole code will come here.
Okay.
If you want to copy and keep it also, that's for the whole code for your launching your EC2 instance and S3 bucket.
Okay.
Okay, fine. So which one is easy now, Terraform or this one?
This one is easy.
Yes. So CloudFormation is another services of AWS. So whatever services and tools we are learning, third-party tools, Terraform, Kubernetes, Docker, everything is already there in AWS. So this is one of the other service for deploying infrastructures through code. So this is also IAC. Fine. So we have done this. You just have to delete the instances and I mean, you delete the stack and you can delete your VPC. Okay.
Okay, okay. This is the default VPC, right? Shall I delete this one?
That is which we created only, right?
Okay.
We only create.
Unable to delete.
That's the first instance you have to stop. First instances you stop it. Instances you stop. Terminate. No. Instance state. Terminate. Instance state. Top instance state. Top instance state. Three actions before actions. Terminate instance. Yes.
VPC deleted, EC2 terminated, and
Mm.
S3 bucket. Shall I delete this too? S3
Yes.
bucket.
Yes. Yes. Delete everything. No. Once you delete the stack itself, it will go now. What happened? Easy to first you delete the stack, na automatically it will get deleted.
Okay, okay. This is pending. So
Go that is a previous one, right? Delete it. Empty that empty. Click right side empty bucket and then delete it.
done. Everything deleted.
Okay. Everything deleted. Easy to VPC.
VPC deleted. I am checking EC2.
Mm.
Instances 3 are there, but it is showing terminated, not deleting.
Mm-hmm. No, terminator. Leave it. Terminator means that's it. It will
Okay,
not
okay.
work.
It is done. Everything is done.
Mm. And then leave it. Okay, let us try one new thing. Okay,
Okay.
we will try to host a website using Terraform. Okay,
Okay.
mm, using our Apache server, we will try to use this one. This is like a project. Okay. Like we are going to launch infrastructure as code website development using Terraform.
Okay.
Mm, First, you can go create a new folder called Terraform project.
Open that one in VS Code.
Open that folder in VS Code. For that, have you done that portfolio website uh, for CACD pipeline? I have done. Have you done that actually? Upload it in your GitHub.
No, not uploaded.
Not uploaded anything.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Let us first go do that and come. Mm, First, go to your browser. Go to a new tab and type theme wagon.
Please repeat.
Theme wagon. Yes, theme wagon portfolio website. Scroll down. Scroll down a little. Scroll down. Is it there or not? Let us see.
This one I did it. Yes, I remember now. I have shown you that one also, output also.
So this file is already there in your GitHub.
I mean, I have published it through CI/CD pipeline, but I didn't paste in GitHub.
Okay, maybe you might upload it. Okay, let us take one more file. Go to just type portfolio or some portfolio already done, right?
See here it is, Alex Smith.
This
This one.
yes, yes. Okay, we'll do one thing. We'll take other one. Scroll above. This electro is there, na? Download this file. Unzip that file.
Yes, unzipped.
Hmm. This index file is there. Double click and see. Okay. Open that. Copy that folder electro
Okay.
and paste it in your that folder which we created. Terraform project.
Yes, it is completed. Done.
Done now.
Yeah.
Okay. Open that file in your VS, and you know how the steps to him upload it in GitHub, right?
Yes, yes. I know, I know.
Yes, do that.
1 second. Yes, I have uploaded in GitHub.
Okay. One minute.
Okay.
Okay, you pushed it. Okay. Okay, go to your GitHub. Let us see.
Yes.
Terraform 8. Okay. Then backside you come. Copy that code and copy that GitHub code. Hmm. Yes, copy
Okay.
and keep it in a notepad. We'll be using this in the Terraform. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now again, as usual, go to your AWS account and create Default VPC. 1 minute. VPC will create. Yes, you create a default VPC. Okay,
Okay, okay.
and first you create the credentials also, because we are going to connect through Terraform, but VPC we are not going to do. So no, no, no. Do not go this way. The other way. Default VPC is there. Na? Create default VPC and close it. Fine. Go to create security credentials.
Access ID have to create, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Done. Created. Access key access ID.
Okay. 1 minute. Now go to your folder. Send me your GitHub link also
Okay, okay.
in the chat box. Okay, we already have Terraform. Mm, so we will create a new folder called Terraform website. Now let this be in this electro also. Let it be there. Minimize this electro. Yes. Okay. In the Terraform, you write close this build agent right side. Close that. Type in the terminal. Type make directory. mkmkdir space terraform hyphen website.
Capital letters.
No, no, small letter. Terraform hyphen website. Okay. Okay. We created a folder. Go inside that folder. cd terraform hyphen website. Okay. Now type AWS configure. Okay. Now click the left side Terraform website and click a new file called provider.tf. There you type provider in AWS. Next one in the description you type region. Yes, region is equal to double quotes AP hyphen southeast hyphen 1. Yes, save it. Right. Now we go for EC2 instance. So that is main file. Go type another file called no, click Terraform. Type main.tf. Okay, type resource AWS underscore instance. Name is you can do web. Yes, in that you mention AMI is equal to double quotes and go take one EC2 instance AMI ID, Ubuntu AMI ID. Simply click launch instance. Yes, take your AMI ID Ubuntu. Nice. Next, click enter. Click enter. Enter. Type instance type. Instance underscore type is equal to T3 micro. Double quotes, T3 dot micro, double quotes. Next, again, key name, key underscore name is equal to double quotes inside my hyphen key. My hyphen key. Okay. Now, below this tag is there, na, that curly braces. Below this curly braces, you can just copy and paste the code which I mentioned in the chat box.
Okay, okay.
There, that GitHub link is there, na?
Yes, yes.
That GitHub link, you put your GitHub link.
Okay, okay.
No, not that. That one. Yes, from Git. you have the spaces and all, you know how to correct it, right? On the day you did, remember?
Yes, yes. One,
Just
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14.
mm,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Like that for everything, right?
just remove the text as well, or you just copy paste in a notepad and see if it's workable.
Okay, it will.
Mm. Enter and then move. Enter and then move.
Got it, got it. Done.
Okay. Next below, mm, we are going to create security group also this time. Enter the security group code, copy and paste it. I pasted it.
Yes, yes. Copying. Shall I copy? This time I will try Notepad. Okay.
Mm. Yeah, it's like that only.
Completed.
Okay, one more link I have given you. Just copy and paste that also.
Resource I have copy pasted. And VPC security group IDs. That's one, right?
That one. Yes, last one.
It is throwing error. This one.
Let us see, let it throw, let us run and see what is the error. Okay, save it.
Okay.
Now come to create one more file called outputs.tf. Type output, name is website underscore URL. In that value you can mention AWS value is equal to value is equal to AWS underscore instance dot web dot public underscore IP address. Is it below second one? Okay, save it. Now let us see Terraform initiate.
Okay. Next Terraform plan. Next Terraform apply. It got
Mm,
error.
wait. And notice I was equipped table. No, no, not expected here. That's what it is mentioned also. Okay, cut that and we'll put that below that. Okay,
Okay.
cut that and we'll put on the resource. Inside the resource, go scroll above. User data, below the user data.
Here
Where
only,
did I?
right?
No, no,
Line
no,
number 6.
no. What we'll do?
Oh, here. Okay.
No. What I'll do? Just to close this one more tag, put one more tag, closing tag.
Okay.
No. You just do one thing. Go there. Go scroll above. I'll tell you. Below that, my key is then a key name. My key.
Yes. Yes.
Enter, enter, enter. Paste it. Paste that VPC thing. And now cut that curly braces is then a closing bracket.
Yes. Yes.
Remove that.
Okay.
Come down. Come down. Paste it below the tag. No. Above. There. Below the tags. Enter. Close it. Save it. Now you run. Done, right? Initiated.
Yeah. Initiated done.
Okay. Just you see, plan to add what? Two things. One is what,
Website URL.
and another one.
Known after apply.
Yes. Once we apply, only it'll work. Okay. Close this terminal one. Just scroll above. No. On the top, main.tf. You just scroll it fully. Close this one. Close this terminal. Delete that extra line actually there below that VPC security group. Below that. Ah, that one. Ah, okay. 1 minute. Scroll down below this ingress. Ah, okay. Right.
Ingress and egress both are different.
Mm, we're giving two blocks. We're giving two port numbers. Egress is different.
Okay,
Okay.
okay.
Click that providers.tf. Click the outputs.tf. Okay. Now just to type Terraform validate.
Okay. Here I have to add new file, right?
Hmm. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. What you're doing?
Adding new
In the
file.
terminal. No, no, no. In the terminal, you
Oh,
type.
okay, okay, okay.
Okay, it's not inside the Terraform website. So first to go to CD Terraform. Wait. First to go to CD Terraform hyphen website. Wait. You have to go to this folder Terraform hyphen
Okay,
website. There you type first Terraform initiate, then Terraform validate, and Terraform plan.
okay. Now Terraform apply, right?
Terraform plan is done.
Done.
1 minute. Yes, Terraform apply. And yes, we'll see. Yes.
It throw an error.
Mm-hmm. Line in resource AWS instance web, resource instance web. Operation error. HTTP run status code for. I think yesterday also you got the same error, right?
Yes, correct. Same error.
You click the main.tf, scroll above. Okay, this is the key pair issue. We didn't create key pair now. So go there. Go there to your EC2 instance console.
Okay.
Go to left side, key pair will be there. We have created the key pair called my key, correct? My hyphen key.
Yes, my
Create that.
icon key.
Create that key there. Create key pair, my hyphen key. It's created. Yes.
Downloaded PEM
Uh,
file.
okay, copy that and put it in the same Terraform website folder.
Okay.
Copy that and put it in your drive inside Terraform website. Paste that. Now again you apply, initiate, plan and apply.
Okay. This time no validator.
Hmm. Validate, no need.
Just I will be back in 2 minutes. Okay.
Yes.
I am back.
Hmm.
It is completed. Apply complete. Resources added.
Yes, it is working. You go check that, click that link, click that IP address. Go to the
Oh,
copy.
okay.
Hmm. Copy that and paste it in your browser.
It came like this.
Click the electro.
Okay.
You're able to see your website is launched.
Yes.
Go to the terminal and just type Terraform show. Just yes, you know everything now here. Okay.
Okay.
Scroll above slightly from the beginning. It'll display all the details of your websites. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, if you want to keep it, just that.
Okay.
Fine. Fine. So you can destroy. How will you destroy?
Terraform destroy.
Okay. Same thing. You can destroy the Terraform.
Completed. To destroyed.
Hmm.
Shall I delete my access key? Sorry. Everything earlier.
Yes. Everything. Like earlier, everything deleted.
Okay. These are not deleting. It will be in terminated state. Is it fine? Easy to instance.
No, terminate. That will go. That will go.
Okay.
That
Okay.
will go. VPC alone, you check. That's it.
Yeah. BPC deleted everything.
Can easy to dashboard. Keeper will be there, and security groups, security credentials will be there. You click dashboard of this one. Keeper also not there. You deleted.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Security credentials again you deleted because it is.
The access key, right? I deleted.
Hmm.
The MFA, it will be like this only, right? My authenticator.
Hmm. That will be
Deleted.
that. Fine. So we have completed Terraform also. Now next
Okay.
week we will start with Ansible. Okay.
Okay.
So last two modules, Ansible. Once Ansible done, we'll have monitoring tools, Prometheus, Grafana, and ELK. Okay.
Okay.
I think I have not sent much materials to you guys. I will send you interview questions, MCQ questions also. Okay. You can just
Okay.
go through that for your interview purposes. And
Okay.
as we already tried some, in all the models, we have tried some three or four practical we have done. You retry that. All the recordings are already there. Okay.
Okay.
I think I sent you a document or not. I'm just checking. I'll check it and I'll send you the documents also if you want. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, Kumar. We'll see you next week. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Bye.
Thank you. Yeah. Thank you. Bye.